Down to Earth Legal Tips is brought to you by Down to Earth Gardens and Nursery.
Hi, I'm Roger Batchelor, and in my line of work, I get a lot of people looking for advice on a range of legal issues. Stay tuned as we talk about some of the most common questions on Down to Earth Legal Tips.
Hi, I'm Jesse Stamm from Batchelor Stamm Law Corporation. Another question that we get asked quite frequently is whether or not someone can drive after they've consumed medical marijuana. Under the Criminal Code and the Motor Vehicle Act, the two laws that regulate driving in British Columbia, both medicinal drugs and recreational drugs are treated exactly the same. So the short answer is no, you cannot drive after consuming medical marijuana, just like you can't drive after consuming recreational marijuana or drinking alcohol. Of course, an investigation for impaired driving requires that the police notice you in some way or another. One of the most common ways that an investigation begins is an accident. When the police attend, if they note the smell of burnt marijuana or red glossy eyes, they will often ask you if you've consumed drugs or alcohol. Of course, admitting that you've consumed drugs or alcohol, even if it's just one toke or just one drink, is evidence the police can use to continue their investigation and evidence that will be used against you in court. Always remember, you have the right to silence and you don't have to admit anything to the police. Their job is to collect the evidence on their own. The minimum penalty for being convicted of impaired driving is a $1,000 fine and a 1-year driving prohibition. However, the penalties can go as high as life in prison if someone is seriously hurt or killed as a result of an impaired driver.
Down to Earth Legal Tips is brought to you by Down to Earth Gardens and Nursery.